Morning friends, this is Bhavik from Currency Advisor Desk, presenting to you the currency updates for today. The Indian rupee fell by more than 3% in the yesterday's session on the back of fears of further downgrade by the rating agency S&P after it selectively stated that India has a better chance of getting downgraded as compared to Indonesia. Now the rupee's fall were further compounded after there was news from the Russian Defense Ministry that the US has launched a missile attack on Syria. But later on, when the Israeli Defense Forces confirmed that it was a joint military test with the US, market sentiments were somewhat cooled. With the passage of Food Security Bill in the Rajya Sabha, the entire onus of balancing the huge burgeoning food subsidy shifts to the Congress-led UPA government. Now, chances are that we may see steeper fuel hikes across all the fuel-based products like petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG, so as to show a clear message to the rating agencies and the FI investors that they are really concerned about managing the fiscal deficit. In yet another sign of US recovery, the yesterday's ISM manufacturing data, which came in at 55.8 versus expectations of 54.5, further showed highlighting further improvement in the US markets. Now, this immediately caused the US 10-year bond yields to touch its 2-year high of 2.89%. Currently, most of the Asian stocks and the emerging market currencies are somewhat trading on a negative bias on the fears of further escalation of the US-Syria conflict and better than expected US data, which gives a rough idea as to the US QE tapering program which would take place post the September FOMC meet. Now, markets would keenly watch outcome of the HSBC Services PMI India for this August month so as to understand whether there is somewhat any recovery in the service sector, because as you all know, the manufacturing data was very bad, the PMI data. For the September futures, USD INR, which gave a close yesterday at 68.62, overall likely to be bullish for today. Extremely suggests hold long. Crucial support at 66.09, resistance at 70.07. Euro INR, which gave a close at 90.21, overall likely to be bullish for today. Extremely suggests hold long. Crucial support at 87.07, resistance at 92.25. GBP INR, which gave a close at 106.64, hold long. Crucial support at 102.70, resistance at 109.20. JPY INR, which gave a close at 69, extremely suggests hold long. Overall trend likely to be bullish for today, sideways to bullish. Crucial support at 66.43 and resistance at 70.49. Key events to watch out for today: we have the HSBC Services PMI for August India. We have host of final services PMI numbers from the Eurozone UK. We also have the revised Q2 GDP, that is April-June for the Eurozone, and we have the US Beach Book Index. Thank you.